Okay, so we're back home. Now let's begin unboxing this iPad Pro 2018 model. So yeah, last time I had this iPad in the silver color and now it's the next one. Also, I paid for this thing the same price of $300 which in my opinion is quite nice. We've been able to sell this iPad for $200 profit, so that's quite nice. That's why I also got this one. It was listed for like 1500 Polish zloty, but I got this thing down to 1200. So yeah, at the end of the day, I just paid for this thing just $300. Alright, so let's begin unboxing. This is how the package looks like. Here's nothing. Here we do have the cable. This is the USB-C cable, just like this, so that's nice. And besides this, we just have our iPad. No case, just iPad and a cable. So let's take a look at the condition of how it all looks like. Overall, the condition should be better than the silver one. And yeah, this is what it all looks like. Oh yeah, I like this color a lot. It's really nice looking color. And yes, this iPad has less of scratches and dents than the one that we previously had, so that's decent. Okay, we see the Apple logo booting up now. And for a matter of fact, it's quite a similar color compared to the M1 MacBook Air that I have. This iPad has a little bit darker shade of it, but yeah, overall it's quite similar. Alright, so let's configure this thing real quick. And that's quite nice, you can actually configure the iPad with your iPhone. Ooh, yo. And guess what, folks? We just sold the iPhone. I really like it. I'm so glad that we managed to just make another sale. If you want to see more videos like this, just check out my channel. I have a ton of videos where I just flip the Apple electronics. And yeah, recently I also just flipped the gold version of this iPhone. So you can also just see this video out. I'm also editing this video right now. So be sure to just stay tuned on my channel. More videos like this coming up in the future. At this point, see you in the next one. Bye!